this Saturday?
Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. And today we show you to play Subway Surfers Part 2. Let's get started. Next we have play. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of fun.
I was gonna go to a concert.
So long ago, I will see already the rocks very
I work Sundays. I always have Saturdays.
Okay, it's not broke. My arrow recorded. Here it goes. They're not heavy. It's oh! Whoa, did you see that? I saw that the trains get hurt, like police gonna chase me. Oh no. Get them. Okay. Get them.
He said it's late.
Get down. Ooh, nice. Here we can see fireworks and Happy New Year. That's great.
Destroy Lonely.
You know, horse as well. Oh no, we get to get down first. That's great. Oh wow, that's a lot that they do.
Dude, this jacket. I think it's a heated seat. No.
Good one.
Even Brian said like this inside is kind of really hot for some reason. Because it's a jacket.
And you want some wings. Here we go.
The installation is crazy on this thing. I heard y'all bring the box.
Oh, we got $1 high school. Nice.
Take the dark energon and put it into the.
Oh, that's great.
No, I need to.
That was in a squad 600. There he is. That's great. Whoa. He gonna close, so it's nice. Good job. Great work. There was a lot to see. Saucer, dance, char.
Taekwondo, punk out,
Nice.
chicken.
Oh, I go
Oh my god, we gotta buy dumplings, right?
Be careful.
Oh yeah.
There's dumplings there at the restaurant, huh?
No, for school.
We're gonna make dumplings.
Oh, nice.
We gotta bring like $1 or $3.
You're gonna start it.
Never ever.
Wow.
Can you take it out first? Stop.
Here we go. This is really a connect right here. Hey, it's not connect. Oh, seriously. I think it's a 1 key. Here we go. Right. This is a rosy with a water coins. Oh, yeah, this is Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I'll do hit this one. You got this one? And a water more wings. Here we go. We got water the 2 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Got lots of the people. 4, 5 in the go. It's nice. I'm playing Subway Silver was running fast in a go. Super awesome. Nice. Yeah, I gotta go get it up by that. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is also be careful inside. Nice. Oh yeah. Here comes the wings. Oh, we got pick up to 3 manders. Great work.
Can you open the back seat?
Gonna order them to water. Get this one. Oh, we got 5 scenes in the hand rewards. That's great. Okay, we got to quiet there, be noise about that. I have to good go inside. Good one. Here we go. One speed closer, and don't have a lot to do.
No, I think not.
1, 2, 3. Oh, so close. Well, look out. Oh, you're gonna close, so right? That's nice. More wings. Here we go. Oh, this is a great, awesome. Okay, here we go. This is a good as well. 1, then got 2 wings in the go, 4 in the go, and 5, 6 in the go. Super awesome. Let's get down for a second. Got a drop off right here. 1,
Oh, so
2,
you don't need me
3,
to talk to him, just
4.
trying to check up on it.
Okay, this is the second game set. This is just very nice. Okay, get this really fast. Okay, here we go. Alright, this is gonna walk for a second. This is not happen. Hey, Dad.
I need to say hi to you.
Hi, buddy.
I'm playing Subway Surfers.
Oh, God, I got a headache.
You hang out?
Headache. I got a headache.
I heard it. Oh, are you okay?
Not really.
You really, huh?
Nobody loved me.
Oh, I love you, Dad. Let's go have dinner. Oh, you hit. I almost say you Subway Silver. I almost feel better, Dad.
Honey, drop me off. Where we going?
Koreatown?
Where
Okay. Oh my goodness, this is very hard. Okay, this is the only dream games. Mike is too slow, but it's not quite as also when you like some. Tomorrow, if you like teams.
For about 1 hour.
Huh?
We gotta do some stuff. So after we eat, chop us off him and the boy.
Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Gotta jump, 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 jump. Gotta very slow.
What are you getting from Walmart?
Just a mop.
Awesome.
You didn't get a mop?
Alright, get up. Okay. We'll work out. That's great.
Yeah.
3, 2 in a go. Nice.
Hey, go get dog shampoo. Maybe they have your game there too.
Here we go.
Transformers.
Let's get off for a second. So hope they go run fast. It's great. Go away. Is there a walk? Alright, because this is not being mean about that. If you want that, don't tell because I like this. Okay, yes.
It's okay. I'm gonna bring her to the.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna bring her to the the pet place.
Get a walk. Nice. Oh, you gonna water trains, water fast. Sorry, silver check. You can go for face. Oh my goodness. We're gonna last and first go. Okay, here we go.
So if we go.
Oh yeah, they go to this game. But what out watch out to the kind of games words.
My card.
Oh no! Wow, did you see that? I see it. Oh no, you're gonna send around my stars. Oh no. Okay, I should keep going. Hope thing is oh wow, it's nice.
This is one of the
Be careful, we get a race first. Tomorrow. Oh great. I hope so, right?
Not sure.
Gonna New York. I hate this one so much right here. I like the deserts, but not in New York. Dust is okay. Oh, come on. Let's try that. This is okay, right? Alright, he goes to start. You gotta wait. He gets to start. It is still very dangerous. The train's about to start. Okay. Whoa. Wow, we got it together. You can see down. Yeah. Get up. Down. Nice. Perfect sounds. Alright, get this scenes about that. Add it. Yep. Got 3-5 left in the go. Oh, awesome. We're almost there. We're after one about got 12 out of 10, 100 cents. If you can try, you can tell. Oh, nice. Gonna run it. Got dollar rasters. That's great. And we got reward available. Nice. Here we go. Got a very slow. Got 2,000 oven. That's great. There we go. No, I hate this China desert. Seriously. Come on, we go be fast, okay? We make big prompter. Just seriously, you're allowed to do. That's great. We got up to jump. They're gonna make mistakes in the high. Alright, let's get down first. Whoa. What the? Oh. Okay, women just 8 in a go. Only has for not 10, okay? Okay, here we go. Start that. There he is. For 5 in a go, here he goes. That's great. And also we are saying to 21.98, 2010. Oh wait. You have to stay to left. Let me go back to the oh, I will sorry about wait guys. I'm missing one keys, but thanks for watching part 3. I will look for these open box. Let's see it's a check. And we got 4x check spray can. Nice. I will go here this one too. It's great. If you like these, you can try. And we got Bubba too. Nice. You gonna one thing about that. I don't have much key. Nice. And I see a lot of characters. Like that. This. And get now. I want to choose that. These, and these. I want to start. Let's try these. Oh, you got Lucy. The Mountain Mirror complete. Nice. I got Lucy. And we got 18. We got the 3 get 3. And we got where we are at. Well, we'll say some thanks for watching part 3. Goodbye.